来使劲儿啊，使劲儿。
This is a tray for making frozen snacks, which are ice cream wrapped in mochi dough. This is the limit of Chinese products. It is cracked. This one also has a big hole in it. This is a working seal. It is hard to peel off.
来使劲儿啊，使劲儿。
Marusan's ultra cold resistant tray will not break even if you hit it this hard. Marusan's high release trays prevent frozen products from sticking to them and from breaking. Customer visited MOBAC